Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I want to show you how to turn off auto brightness on iPhone. To turn off auto brightness on iPhone, it's very simple. The first thing I want you to do, I want you to go to the settings on your iPhone. So let's open up the settings. So once you open up the settings on your iPhone, I want you to look for where we have accessibility. So I want you to tap on accessibility. So once you tap on accessibility, I want you to scroll down a little bit and tap on display and text size. So let us tap on display and text size. So let's tap on that. So once you tap on display and text size, it will bring you to another page. On this page, I want you to scroll all the way down to the extreme bottom. So once you get to the extreme bottom, you're going to see where it says auto brightness. So to turn off this auto brightness, you just want to tap on this auto brightness and turn it off. So guys, this is how to actually turn off auto brightness on your iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.